Dear friends and dear adversaries, as you may already know, I'm a recognized refugee and a stateless person in exile for over 14 years and currently held hostage in Greece for over 4 years. In the hope of finding asylum, sufficient protection, and in a place of refuge where it can guarantee my safety, my stability, and my progress, I had found myself at Europe's shores in the year 2014. In Europe, however, not only I have not yet found any sort of protection, but also, due to a shameful misdirection in Greece in the year 2014, I had also suffered an illegal deportation from Sweden back to Greece in September 2015. Due to total lack of protection in Greece, I have constantly addressed my need to the UN Refugee Agency, which is the responsible agency, and have requested a settlement referral from this organization for my case to be referred for resettlement in another country ever since my illegal deportation. If you must know, due to Dublin regulations, I will no longer be able to find asylum in other EU countries. Also, due to timing and geographical restrictions, I have also been excluded from benefiting from EU's already failed relocation program. However, refugees have no obligations to stay in a country with no functioning asylum system, no protection of any kind, and no security at all, but at the meantime, even in possession of the legal refugee status, still not able to submit a resettlement application to any country on their own, as the procedure strictly requires a resettlement referral from the UN Refugee Agency, UNHCR. In Greece, however, the UN Refugee Agency, UNHCR, even in spite of their shameful misdirection in the year 2014, which not only led to my illegal deportation from Sweden a year after, but has also extended my suffering into many more years, yet for over 1.5 years was even denying that this agency has anything to do with refugee resettlement, and has called the police on me almost on every occasion that I went to their office and sought assistance. This finally led to announcing a hunger strike and protest at the doorsteps of the organization, which took place on March 21st, 2017. I was initially on hunger strike here for over 64 days and still continuing my protest under the most inhumane, degrading, and undignified conditions. Yet, there has been no end to the illegal practice of calling the police on me and sending me into detention almost on every attempt I tried to reach the organization. They were even calling the police on me on some occasions 3 times a day, even when I was on hunger strike. In addition to this indefinite number of illegal detentions at different police facilities, I have also had up to 17 trials at the Greek Court of Evelpidon, simply on the counts of attempting to reach the UN Refugee Agency, UNHCR, and seeking help for my life. And so far, I had also had to serve multiple prison sentences as well on the same accounts. Meanwhile, I had as well suffered many physical assaults at the hands of the guards of the UNHCR building, the employees of the organization, and also the Hellenic Police. My shelters have been destroyed on many occasions, and my property as well, where is it confiscated, taken, or stolen. Please also bear in mind that I am currently undocumented for over 1 year. Today, Wednesday, April 10th, 2019, I will hereby publicize the court's decisions for those particular trials that took place in the year 2018 and the year 2019. 19. The list of my trials and those decisions are included below. First, the court decision number 582 from the year 2018 on the case number AQ661 from the year 2018. The final court for this trial took place on January 26, 2018. In this instance, I was given a 12 months suspended prison sentence. This decision has 5 pages. Second, the court's decision number 938 from the year 2018 on the case number AQ 178 from the year 2018. The final court for this trial took place on February 2nd, 2018. In this instance, I was given a 6 months suspended prison sentence. This document has 6 pages. Third, the court decision number 1800 from the year 2018 on the case number ZQ 301 from the year 2018. The final court for this trial took place on March 7, 2018. In this instance, I was given a 12 months suspended prison sentence. This decision has 5 pages. Fourth, the court's decision number 726 from the year 2019 on the case number ZQ 302 from the year 2018. The final court for this trial took place on February 6, 2019. In this instance, I was given a 6 months suspended prison sentence. This document has 1 page. Fifth, the court's decision number 6857 from the year 2008 on the case number ZQ 610 from the year 2018. The final court for this trial took place on November 11, 2018. In this instance, I was given an 8 months suspended prison sentence. This document has 1 page. Sixth, the court's decision number 851 from the year 2019 on the case number ZQ 1036 from the year 2018. The final court for this trial took place on February 8, 2019. In this instance, I was given an 8 months suspended prison sentence. This document has 1 page. Seventh, the court decision number 5513 from the year 2018 on the case number Q2322 from the year 2018. The final court for this trial took place on June 29, 2018. In this instance, I was given a 6 months suspended prison sentence. This document has 1 page. And lastly, the list of my trials from the year 2017 till February 2019. This document has 3 pages. Again, before I go, there is one thing else that I would like to mention, and it is about my Facebook page. After my release from Coast Prison, it turned out that Facebook has again restricted me from sharing my posters. Not that all the posters I share get approved in different refugee groups, but yet this is another pain. Because as far as I can remember, I had only shared 1 post since my release, and yet here we are. God restricted again just for that. I think there are people who are reporting my page, and this could be the reason why this is happening again and again. In any case, The reason for bringing this up is to let you know I would very much appreciate if you interact with my page, and as part of this interaction, you may also wish to share some of my posts, like and comment, because your participation, whether it is big or not, can always make a difference, and I'm not only well aware of that, but will always appreciate it. So that was it for now, and thank you very much for your time and attention. I will look forward to your kind solidarity and support in whatever ways possible. Yours respectfully, Anwar, Nillufary. Registered case number at the Greek Asylum Office 12826 from the year 2014. Address, my shelter located, here it is, my shelter located in front of the UNHCR's main office in Athens since March 21st, 2017, 91. Today is Wednesday, April 10th, 2019.